Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a little girl named Emily. Emily loved animals very much. She had a dog named Max and a cat named Whiskers. One sunny day, Emily went for a walk in the park near her house. A- As she was walking, she heard a soft meowing sound coming from behind a bush. Curious, she walked closer and found a tiny kitten hiding there. "Oh, you poor thing," Emily said softly, reaching out her hand. The, ki- the kitten was scared, but slowly came closer to Emily. She gently picked it up and held it close to her chest. "Don't worry, little one. I'll take care of you." Emily looked around, but didn't see anyone who might own the kitten. She decided to take it home with her. She She named the kitten Mittens because of its fluffy white paws. At home, Emily gave Mittens a small bowl of milk and some food. Mittens ate hungrily and then curled up in a cozy corner to sleep. Emily smiled, happy to have found a new friend. From that day on, Mittens became part of Emily's family. Max, Max the dog was curious at first, but soon became friends with Mittens too. Emily loved playing with Max and Mittens in the garden every day after school. And so Emily and her furry friends lived happily together, creating wonderful memories in their little village.